What if one of these patchwork ideas is the one that finally makes you fall back in love with sewing again? I found over 25 creative patchwork clothing ideas on Pinterest that are full of color, texture, and personality. And I pulled the best ones to show you right here. Plus, there's a full Pinterest board linked in the description where you can find patterns and more details for every piece you see. And I want you to vote in the comments for your favorite, because once this video hits 100 votes, I might recreate the winning one in my own style. So keep your eye on the one that really stands out to you. Let's get into it. Patchwork is one of those things that never really went out of style. Even when it wasn't front and center, it was always there, quietly showing up in quilts, jackets, bags, and little handmade pieces that people held onto for years. And I think the reason it lasts is because it was never just about fashion. It was about making something out of what you already had, turning scraps into something meaningful, something useful, something with a story. And that kind of creativity doesn't go out of style. It just waits for the right moment to come back around. And now you're seeing it again, but in a new way, brighter, bolder, more expressive, and still just as personal as it's always been. Because no two patchwork pieces are ever exactly the same, and that's the beauty of it. It doesn't have to match perfectly. It doesn't have to follow strict rules, it just has to come together in a way that feels right to you. And that's something people have always been drawn to, whether they realize it or not. So as you're watching these ideas, you're not just looking at trends, you're looking at something that has stood the test of time and continues to evolve with every person who picks up fabric and decides to create. And if you're enjoying this kind of inspiration and want more ideas like this along with sewing projects, creative ideas, and ways to turn what you make into something more, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And if you want to explore even more, there's a playlist linked in the description with a variety of tutorials and ideas to help you keep creating in your own way.